Welcome to the video. Today we're tackling a common problem that Excel users face when trying to compare lists of names that contain special characters. The issue arises when using XLOOKUP to find matches, and it seems like certain characters, like parentheses and hashtags, are causing confusion. This can be frustrating, especially when you're working with a long list of names and need an accurate comparison. Now, let's dive into the solution to this problem. The key lies in understanding how Regex handles special characters, particularly parentheses. In Regex, parentheses have a special meaning, so to match them specifically, we need to escape them by adding a backslash before them. This small adjustment will ensure that XLOOKUP can correctly identify names with special characters, such as Phoebe, number 6, and Simeon, hashtag. Building on the previous insight, we can enhance the formula to handle special characters more effectively. By using the reduce function in combination with lambda in substitute, we can replace special characters with their escaped versions, such as Simeon backslash, hashtag 6 backslash. This modification allows XLOOKUP to accurately find matches even when special characters are present, giving you the confidence that your comparisons are reliable and precise. To wrap up, we've explored a clever solution to the problem of special characters causing mismatches in Excel's XLOOKUP function. By understanding how Regex handles special characters and making simple adjustments to your formulas, you can ensure that your comparisons are accurate and comprehensive. We hope this video has been helpful in resolving your Excel challenges. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other Excel topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and happy Exceling!